yo ebusia ye ma mo akwaba eba the fabulous zone aha mo amu ni yenye hia de akumase Asante Kotoko nsensem e na ye ba be discuss bibia ye be program ne de the Blue Diamond Hotel e wo Taifa ipe be bi di uti ato age wa home a the Blue Diamond Hotel eno e na ye be recommend ama wo more nice serene environment oba wa woni beji pa Blue Diamond Hotel e na ye sa ene dwumedie we ene ye pese ye share Ghana football coronavirus ba ye ya suspended league no bi mo say ye be cancel bi say ye be to aso aye basa ye pese ye hwe say ye cancel will it help the league decision GFA be take no how will it benefit our league and the sponsorship aspect no how will it affect the sponsorship aspect then same bebre no ye pese introduce your guest for today it's a wa follow Kumasa Asante Kotoko page bia o Facebook social media bia no unim no pa me bia obefe bia obeku no na Star Times some predict and win be about Kotoko any hard to folk ye bo Accra no ka say wa obetimi a predict a share the goals aka the goal scorer no or mema award abranti ye be interview ne otimi a predict ye say Kotoko be share hard to folk 2-1 ewa Accra Sports Stadium am papepepe ebe hu se de okan no enti ye pese ye introduce no your guest for today Robert Oduro Robert akwa
minia ye
ide ya plan ya che baba so finally
yeah the radio say ono ani mrepamo no ne wa hye se ye nhiem
sa
se de odi kan ka ni nyina ye Kumase Asante Kotoko nkoso
sa
na se de ye mu bi no mu no team no edidi ye mu no em say ye papa ye mu kura ye bi hu wo ye mu jam say Kotoko eni nam ye mu jam na adum na nya media adum yen na ye nya sa akonya no na medical da fabulous zone as say sa opportunity we me so edu mi small kan say me so me mra na me meboa na me share me views concerning Kumase Asante Kotoko enti me nya me da say
sa akwa ba bio Kotoko me de na bia asema kwa me kan say obia Kotoko ko pai omoja kala ben na ba
red
red it will pay umpo wow share we Kotoko ni once our blood ye red there we are fabulous Robert yen share Ghana football answer be ba Kotoko sensem so yen share about the league for 2 times na ya try say be league no first one announce the na yi be boom expose be boom ye ntime nwie na no koda ye na NC competition and so your boy wa woni che Kotoko na etimeje ye another league asan starting coronavirus ama ya kam finfini ye hu say ye to aso say ye cancel ebi si ye to aso ebi si ye cancel ama ye nsem PGF ti omo de omo yi beba omo ach say omo be to aso na say omo cancel na person dem hwe say wa dwen say league no ye to aso
well me nu am say say be to aso say ye to aso no decision wo GFA ho but me ma dwen there me nko ma dwen me nya say cancel league the reason to make say say cancel league is say one CAF I was say participate in the competitions you know I serve a notice or break GFA letter senka May all the continents you know clubs you know and as nations you know among form reps Emra for the next African club competitions that was May they say month be money away June meanwhile no e say GFA ntimi amfa club bi anko clubs like Kotoko Matisa Diana Ice Gold even Medium Accra about say they are ready to go but the question is how can they go we have CAF and FIFA rules now the only club will be the previous league winner or the previous participants in the Confederation Cup and them random coin in this case you know you say be Ice Gold ni Kotoko na say team representing but the clubs are they ready that's the question Mati said the current new border between 4 now see about say they are ready Kotoko can go to Africa now so we share GFA the letter call CAF say CAF mom but me bisa say CAF prepare na CAF betimi atwen because GFA no ma yenya clear cut here from government for the last time update from government was you bet me about football of Ghana, that Dr. Nsia, the medical advisor to the president of Ghana, no. It's somewhere September. But we check CAF and so we call CAF website. Champions League in Confederation Cup. It begins on 7th August 2020.
7th August.
7th August 2020.
We have that's about 2 months time.
2 months to go. And looking at that's what your first half of the season. You better have matches winning every and winner. And you know, best to say GFA bet truncate league.
Now a CAF almost 7 years notice no. My deadline. I'm say deadline that mean.
Deadline on the bar first one was I think 5th or say 15th if my memory serves me right. May.
That's the deadline.
That was the deadline.
Okay.
And a GFA letter call plead say mom no more adjust to mama. So they say. The some adjust some CAF bet CAF on Peninsula. CAF on website our program on say on the 7th August 2020 or started CAF competitions. That's interclass competitions.
With or without us.
Yes, that means one found qua sanction or
very pleasing.
Sanction or against the FA.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
Into FA no say in term normal clubs now even on back Africa from Ghana no aware normal start preparations. Because you see players no be at fee.
I'm getting rusty.
Yes.
Wait there I say acquire dicey pa.
Very dicey.
Yeah.
Very dicey. Now we share sikasem ni ade a very difficult. But na ade ba ko me hu ni say if you ask no bia wo ye bibia o plan for at the renchen sem e bisi. But we can say force majeure. We share Kotoko ni MTN sponsorship contract no. Na wo say force majeure or care MTN be withdraw. To the period that bibia nko so MTN won charge ma Kotoko. Currently Kotoko suffer that thing. So they say okay. Whoever is sponsoring our league, I believe that FA will look at that lines. Because already minimum start and when they came to escape my FA dada.
Yeah.
Now GFA, do they have the capacity? Our best soccer clubs national.
Now Osha personally who is saying Kumasi Asante Kotoko, are we ready to go to Africa?
That is the question.
You didn't come for first one. That's the Confederation Cup and they did third where group playing to me and progressing. And the second one, a winning competition, yes, I call it in the Champions League. Yes, I'm about Confederation game. Yeah, to me, this time around, when say to me, and in case if I say GFA say okay, you see how they Kotoko, oh, Champions League, as good Confederation. Kotoko, are we financially?
Well, fortunately for all of the clubs in Ghana, and unfortunately for all of the clubs in Africa, how many African countries are currently on mobile league?
But Mama says be more statues.
Tanzania started.
Yeah, Tanzania.
I think they Rwanda or so.
Yeah,
started. But the thing is, almost started how many months and days in it. And the clubs no players no bia or fear or no try so or on one some private training. And I mean, some clubs coaches need been so use Zoom. And they players daily instructions are almost follow. And the clubs no case almost intimi participate here. Almost disappointed FA. Omo disappointed CAF. The reason is that GFA Copa CAF Chelsea Mr. Ma membre na me adjust me ho na me mfa bibi bra because we are ready to play. In the clubs no na say omo make sure say omo be ko na omo kwa omo ebe bobo omo so ye because they say the engineer here started from a fresh note. TP Mazembe say now no yet players that work Congo. TP Mazembe so omo soon say
Ethiopia.
Our own Mubarak Wakasu. Or that's what Ghana.
Muntari
Tego.
Yeah.
Liadi, Ethiopia. It tells you that the clubs there are not playing, but CAF said on the 7th August or started club competitions. So they say,
so here's some number of teams behind with me.
What do you mean they are participating?
And he said, when you say I'm not more, Anna.
Me a short of
without even getting to the number.
I call African Cup Togo. Congo omokonya attack bi no mo a group nkrofo bi echo attack on time na nam kwan so call venue ho ema Togo pull it out from the competition into my yeah car 3 saka van postpone tournament yeah boy into say country bi anything na be my punishment about my country FA na
ona cause sad
yes sorry I say and into me to me the Kotoko betimi akọ as good betimi akọ. It's about time say yen president Nanado ebe ma kwan say almost started training You say Wama Kwama other sports omunya that contact pa no training and as omo start omo participate games. But clubs, football clubs, individual training or more.
But also, because say, when say league, no,
yeah.
And how can we cancel the league and also participate in Africa? I do not.
Kotoko was in Africa while we're not playing league.
Okay. And that's the name by.
Yes. We were playing in Africa without playing league.
But maybe you can be financially okay. Say okay, but what about the players? I'm on for some months.
So we have from now to August to kickstart club competition, and moreover, mind you, say Kotoko and Ashgold might even get a chance to stay for a while before they meet, because almost start here, almost preliminary games near the. Indeed, you better use this period. And they are prepared players, Ashgold will feel that obey me accompany players at training or more facilities. Kotoko, luckily for us, we have Adako Jachi. Training facilities. You bet me accompany. And just recruiting him say current board chairman, Dr. Kwame Che, the hotel Kumasia, you bet me a house players, Sure. So they say, and see, it's all about sacrificing. Or more back board no to see need to fine tune a way on bet me a finance club. No? Because I know say club when start a participate here, MTN will come back. You see, I hearing cost no, it's an MTN say what trigger that force major way no plus no. So they say, and say start to say a bo BBA, MTN will come back because even say close doors crowd na here bono. I'm for here TV so.
Yeah, I'm surely. I'm for sure. Say but the players no one said who say o my rusty. Currently, they are rusty.
Currently, no players there no are yes, but one man come and start and training or better I pick it up. So I won't say EPL almost start here about 3 matches.
I say Yakuba Champions League I say affect here Kakroana. No confederation no. Time Kwame Bonsu mo no. Kwame Konte Bonsu time mo no so time na ye mo. Yeah, ka say chinchina
ye be ko no.
But I say na stamina ehwie kakra.
Stamina ehwie but we hwa Kotoko so bon ho modern. In confederation, the boy who they make us say, in second way appearance, they call Champions League, you call what do you call it? Ivory Coast, Uncle Ye. And no, make us say, I'm wedding.
San Pedro for what?
That was when Zacharias in taking over.
Yeah.
But time I not seek a kita team. To be frank, Kotoko was baby Abeku Biano, Kotoko was selling Ghana. Because the microphone in Mr. Ghana no, you're more league. And CAF here statistics be about the fastest club in the competition at that time. Kotoko was I think the third or second, even though we're not playing league. So it's all about the coach who is handling the team and how ready he is. I'll bet me I fine tuning the players' mindset. Because say Kotoko were more than 30 players.
Yes.
They can even play among themselves at training grounds to pick up.
And the bands are friendly matches, crowd.
Yes. We talk about friendly matches.
As quite the positive,
yeah.
No man prepare.
Indeed, Nina, you're situation agent the government of Ghana. So, the government might go ahead and say, "I'm started training now." If you be my point, just started BB. Because you see, I know if you know he's if is in limbo. Benfa club in call, Brikwa, my government, Emma, me kwan say, "I'm started training." Na omi do mo corner ye start Africa na ombe dan kobo. So what I say?
Yeah.
Nti bibia gina ban say.
Nti say yen fan say so omo cancel league na. How is it going to affect the clubs?
Financially it's going to affect them. Like I said earlier on say MTN any will sign
obetwe ne ho afiri
contract no aka chwo say BBC at the ranch BBC na say yentimi mo hwe bibia nkoso a obe pull it out. And power pull it out. So what I say? In Sisika be a frame team over Kotoko Bia, and maybe
in this area, all the months I imagine a baby maba.
Over checking the period that now won't find your fee, you know. On to Africa, we hear from. And yeah, they're that for. But the thing is, how many clubs are Ghana or more sponsorship needed? But they are playing.
Ghana Kotoko say you're the best sponsorship.
So they say. They are playing. Yes, they are playing. Clubs need be over. I mean, person me both because I got a program near.
Yeah.
Say, omu nibi.
Omu
need sponsorship nibi.
Has the folk.
Well, has the folk go come website. They have SAS. Any other way or go your room now? They provide it. So what I say. But for instance, Ebusian drafts. Company men sponsor home. I stand to be corrected. Ebia no more internal sponsors be a supportive, but no dear Ebia company like MTN, Edema Kotoko. At least Holland, you who say Oma Brandy Kotoko JC, you who Paradise Park, any and you who Goyo. Recently, Fidelity, Oma Renew. So what I say. At least Kotoko will be big at I go to see him some will be big at
their minds not start to cry.
Yes. Even Mediama is also doing well. So, financially, no. Like I told you, say me call hotel via me could draw. The place look like cemetery. We be in Kosovo. It is such a hotel. Say all sponsor wa. Obeden yes kadi amount. Oh yes come from amount. Inti say cancel leg na bibia ende. Inti obia nso.
Ebe form.
Bibia ako down. It be affect the club no financially. And inti e na wo hwa FIFA. I discover say yemfa nya den. Yemfa ma associations no. No mfanya den. Mfa support clubs no. Just 2 or 3 days ago, me sign another way say there's another money coming
from FIFA.
From FIFA.
Oh, nice.
Oh, and scan kakra ne ba na be support here. E betimi aboa clubs na ma omagina o na so to go into Africa no. Yeah.
Okay. Now e ba no the emphasis company na sponsor league no so. They say at start times.
Well, start team omo conditions omo the GFA. In terms of contract omo signing.
I think so $1 million or something.
Not the amount involved because already somebody came to schedule. Sir, but to the sense A B na contract no can say ball leg na be senior leg na we are. Isi kan nka ye ntua minimum. Okay. So what I say. Okay. But they almost say season no say ye ma FSC. So season no so ya tranketi. Ya continue into ono so wetima ka say season na me ka say me dey ma no. Season na ka say wa mo. It is can so me ntimi ntua. They metua ne the modi no.
And they are right.
They are right. So what I say. Tell me use the word the force majeure. So force majeure happen na. Say nyama obi ani na so ne si. Just like say me papa bia na me nua bi e say onya coronavirus. One ho wawu. E be affect you bia. But there's nothing you can do. Enya si. It is ana we ni so tie. Say you challenge ni ma e be affected the sponsor, e be affected the clubs. The autumn ice water crowd stadium crowd affecting.
Yeah, for league there be buy a whole package.
The whole package.
The environs no wow businesses
hotels,
the beer,
ice water sellers, chinchinga sellers, beer.
Well, I had the fabulous zone. Said the hotel, you know. Roberto Oduro or say kono kwa dia league no yen cancel because I can say twice that damage na ba no eso sen enti say the catch them no kuma say Asante Kotoko ho nsem bia on person ti bia the fabulous zone ye hu asi wo say ye de bebre mo say the na no ye catch them no Roberto Oduro na ye ne discussion no comment section ho so betimi we dey ato wo hu ne say won e kan no fa bibia to comment section ho fabulous zone you all the social media platforms o call Facebook now I type in the fabulous zone Yebeba TV ready be that so then you like our page, you go to YouTube the fabulous zone, subscribe to our channel, go to Instagram the fabulous zone yewo Twitter the fabulous zone yewo bibia yewo no we follow yen na kumasa sa ko nsem bia no ye de bebro every week or every day bia asem bia be drop no ye de bebro bibia discussion we me sign akabium the Blue Diamond Hotel Accra Taifa oba Taifa obunya drop Accra na oba Taifa nko dia ope hotel baby papa dinti ato adu dwuma bia the Blue Diamond Hotel and na ye be recommend e dia ma ye be da the crew ase na ya da Robert Oduro ase papa send there wetin abeka yensa the fabulous zone ye be sa eni mo ehia biem ha yakra mo